Changing attachments on a Hyundai Loader with a quick coupler is fast and easy. Set your bucket down on a slight upwards angle. Then look for the control pad on the right side of your steering wheel. Press the button that is fourth to the right and down one from the menu home button. It should be labeled 4 with an icon of a bucket and a lock. On the touch screen, tap on Unlocking Attachment. You will hear a beep. From here, you can lower the bucket and back out. Make sure you check behind the vehicle before you move back. Line up to your desired attachment, lift it up, and tilt upwards. Then on the touchscreen, press Locking Attachment until it has locked. Once it is locked, press Complete and the beeping sound will clear. Lift the boom to make sure the attachment is secure before working. You're now ready to go. For more learning resources like this, check out our other videos on YouTube and visit red1.ca.